Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT English question. Whew. This was question number 1 from ACT 59F. Right there, pause it, pause the video. Why don't you read the paragraph and take a crack at the question yourself, and then you can unpause and watch the explanation. Because we're getting in there. All right, notes from underground. A lot of people hate to ride the New York City subways, but I love them because I like to get places fast. So the question reads, at this point, the writer wants to provide one reason why she likes to ride the subways. Which choice is most relevant to the information provided in this first paragraph? Well, I've only read the first sentence, so let me go on and read the next few sentences and see what the information in the first paragraph is. A musician balancing a cello case, 2 Buddhist monks in saffron robes, and a group of stockbrokers in crisp charcoal gray suits get on at Wall Street. A passenger placidly sews while the subway train flings and jolts. A teenager who's holding a shoebox containing a kitten, as blah blah blah. All right, so that's the information contained in the first paragraph. We want to provide one reason why she likes to ride the subways that is most relevant to that information. The information seemed to be a list of odd sorts of people who got on the subway. But let's see what we're looking for in the answer choices. A said, I like to get places fast. That's, good for you, but I'm not sure anything else in the paragraph pointed to that. So we cross off A. Now let's look at B. I never know what I'll see there. Well, it was a sort of an unusual group of people that got on the subway, so I would keep B around. I don't feel comfortable eliminating it right now. Let's go on to C. They are so much cheaper than taxis. That is true, but doesn't really pertain to any of the other information in the paragraph, right? So I think we eliminate C. And D says they are places of enormous quiet and calm. That is both patently untrue and also not relevant to the question, right? A musician balancing a cello case? That doesn't sound inherently very calm. 2 Buddhist monks could be good, but a group of stockbrokers in crisp charcoal gray suits? How does that imply enormous quiet and calm? It doesn't. So I guess the answer had to be B. It's key to remember on questions like that it's never an invitation to write your own essay. The question was not, which one of the following sounds the best? They were very specific about what they wanted from this sentence, right? They wanted to give another reason why the narrator likes the subway that was relevant to the information presented in the paragraph. I never know what I'll see there isn't quite what I would write, but that's not the point. And I think it's helpful to keep in mind that we didn't have to read answer choice B and instantly know that must be it. Instead, we went through each answer choice considering them one at a time and eliminated the ones that didn't give us what the question was looking for. And the answer turned out to be B. Sweet. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.